Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to sign up for Walmart delivery. To sign up for Walmart delivery, the first thing you'll need to do is to visit the Spark Driver website. So to do so, open up a web browser of your preference and go to the search box and type in driveforspark.walmart.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now end up in the official website for Spark Driver. Click on the sign up button at the upper right hand corner or in the middle of the screen. Enter your zip code on the left hand side of the screen and click continue. Now, choose your location from the list and find delivery opportunities nearby you and click continue. Now you can choose the delivery zone where you want to deliver and click continue, and you will be able to follow through the instructions and sign up for Spark Driver. Provide all the necessary information in the sign up page, and after you are done, you will be able to sign up for Walmart delivery. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.